What's up everybody, Brian Tong here. Check it out. This is my all new studio, my unboxing place, but Army specifically, I got something special for y'all. This is a sneak peek at the BTS edition Samsung Galaxy S20 5G phone with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus BTS edition as well. And this is not the complete retail packaging. Samsung sent these out for me to kind of just show you all what to expect. But again, I have the actual ones pre-ordered, so we will see everything that comes with those. But let's just kind of jump into here. Yes, this is a brown box. It's my unboxing of this, but this is what Samsung gave to me. And first of all, let's put this on the side here. It's hard for me to describe to you just how beautiful this is. This is a beautiful phone. The back is it's an anti-glare kind of matte purple finish, and depending on how it hits the light, sometimes it's bluish, sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's pinkish, but it's always freaking gorgeous. You have this amazing detail of a purple heart on the camera lens, and that's I Purple You. It's a kind of a saying from BTS. Purple is their color. Also, Tae kind of used it for, universal love. The last color of the rainbow ties everything together. So I Purple You is the theme of this as well. You'll see like there's the Samsung BTS logo down here on the back. But then this is a completely themed BTS phone. So when I go to the home screen, I should just put it down here. You'll have this nice purple wallpaper. There's even on here, there's the giant dipper, and you'll see these stars kind of animate on the lock screen in like a video format. They kind of glow. That's because there are 7 members of BTS. For those of you that don't know, if you're watching this, you should know, right? Also, the theme here, it has that kind of handwritten, kind of like this Love Yourself shirt. It's handwritten, but still like very geometric and clean. So all through this phone, the interface, the UI, it's purple. It's themed that way. The icons are purple. Even if you go into something like your Messages app, the actual message bubbles are purple. Better than blue bubbles, better than green bubbles. They are purple. I Purple You. There's something special about this phone. It feels so amazing. I mean, purple's my favorite color in the first place, but the fact that it's a BTS phone and I'm Army, like, yeah, this is an amazing phone. Okay, so we have that, but I want to show you an app in here, and I'm going to scroll over here, and you'll see the BTS XR snapshot. So I'm going to jump into that app, and what it says is XR content of BTS members will be available on July 9th, 2020. Now, what that means is this is a mixed reality app, basically. So I read about it, and what's going to happen is that you're going to be able to hold your camera up to something, and then a BTS member will show up, or an avatar, and you'll be able to take a photo with a member using the BTS XR snapshot app. And I know a lot of you are going to love that. And what this is that the content's not available till July 9th. That's when the phone actually comes out. Pre-orders are going on right now. So once July 9th hits, then we're going to see all the content that's there. But overall, it's really more on the phone, a theme, the purple theme throughout. Obviously, the amazing like matte glass. Oh, it's also pretty much like fingerprintless. So I've been playing with it a while. You can barely see fingerprints on this. You wipe it down once and they're totally gone. So there's just a whole lot to love about this design. It's beautiful. So this is the phone, the Galaxy S20 Plus. You can pre-order it right now on Samsung.com. You can also pre-order it on Amazon.com, and it starts at $1,249. You can get trade-in value if you want to help reduce that, if you have an earlier Samsung device or even other phones. But then there's another part of this equation after we take a look at the sneak peek of this phone, because you have the Galaxy Buds Plus. Now, if you buy the phone, you can get 50% off the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus BTS edition. They're normally $200. They will then just add $100 to the total, and it'll be $1349. So let's just unbox this bad boy. And this is really cool. Oh, I forgot to show you. On the front here, you'll see 7 hearts representing the 7 members. Oh, actually hand hearts. So I'm gonna take this shield off, and we're just gonna, has a really cool, again, like purple, pink theme, says Buds Plus, has the BTS logo right here, super slick. And then in here, we have kind of 2 compartments. Now, I'm gonna go up to this top one. I don't even know, I haven't even opened this up yet. I kind of know what's gonna be in here. But this here looks like, okay, oh. Look at how purple this thing is. Look at how gorgeous. I have to kiss this thing. This is, come on, these two things together? This looks so sick. All right, so these are the Buds Plus. This is the wireless charging case. Oh my God, this is awesome. And then you have the two Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus here. There's some fun little, it's gonna be hard to see on this camera, these camera shots, but there's fun little details. There's a purple heart for iPurple U on this side, kind of on the top edge, and then there's the purple BTS logo beyond the scene on here as well. These are one of my favorite earbuds. They do not have noise canceling, but I love the weight, I love the feel, I love the style. They don't have the stems on them. You think I look good like this? This whole ensemble is working with me right now. So these are the Buds Plus Galaxy. I'm loving this case is flawless. Okay, then we have another compartment here. Let's see what we got here. Okay, this is kind of like that. If you want kind of like a protective carrying shell to go on top of it, this is what this is for. So you can kind of have this in place, and like there's like a little loop. There's a loop here, so you can kind of flip it on the lanyard type thing there. Okay, so that's there you go, a case for your case. Pretty slick. Okay, so I should try and pop this out. All right, so that comes with it as well. You will have, I'm gonna assume here, these are different earbuds and cables. Yeah, so here's the USB cable for it, and then the different kind of ear bands and rubber tips for the actual Buds Plus. So that's all here. Now, with the phone, we didn't get everything. They just sent me the phone, but I'm gonna show it off to you because this is a beautiful product. The phone itself, it's gonna come with some exclusives. It's gonna come with some exclusive BTS stickers. It's gonna come with exclusive BTS photo cards, which reminds me, oh, actually, I forgot about that. I'm all over the place, but this is sick. All right. Over here in the Buds Plus case or packaging, you have this little guy here. And why is this important? Well, as I move all this stuff all over here, because it's just this crazy madness, I'm pretty sure these are the photo cards for this. So let me open the, oh no, I just tore it. I just tore the box a little bit. Okay. These, for people who love the band, let's just go right, it's hard to see it upside down. RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, Jungkook. Do you really have, you gotta really test ARMY like that? I mean, there's people that are gonna buy this phone or these earbuds and have no idea like how, I'm gonna tell you right now, these photo cards here are valuable. My nieces, they're gonna go crazy for this. They're also really cool, and they're all wearing the Buds Plus in here. Now, I pulled out these photo cards because also with the phone's gonna come with stickers and photo cards as well, so those will be exclusive. Samsung just sent me the phone, that's all they had on hand, so I wanted to show you the phone, but those will be coming as well, and when I do the full official unboxing that'll be here, you'll get to see those as well. The other thing though here that I asked Samsung about is that up in the top of this Buds Plus case is this thinner box, but right now there's nothing in them, and the reason why is they didn't have it. They didn't even have it yet. In here is where the wireless charger will be. It's a circular purple disc that matches the iPurple U color of the Buds Plus casing. So it's their wireless Qi charging. I guess you could call it their plate, and that's comes with all purchases of the Buds Plus. So whether you do it in the bundle, whether you do it individually, it will come with this package. So I know this is a mishmash of stuff, but I wanted to really show you everything that you can expect, at least that we had, because this in person, the Buds Plus in person, good Lord. These are so sick. I mean, it's a metallic purple. Oh, I'm loving these. So this is kind of some of the pieces of the puzzle that you'll get. Again, you have the phone, the S20 Plus 5G BTS edition phone with that just gorgeous backing and the iPurple U heart. $1,249 or $1,249, Samsung.com, Amazon.com. Also, you can bundle the earbuds and get 50% off, so these will be $100. Now, Weverse shop was selling these for $200 standalone. They're already sold out, so you can't buy these standalone on Weverse. You can only buy them standalone at Samsung.com, because I believe I went to Amazon and they were only selling this in the bundle. So just be aware of all these little things. There's gonna be other kind of bells and whistles. Even if you, when you buy the phone from Samsung, you really kind of optimize and get the most out of it, because you're gonna get stickers, you're gonna get photo cards, you're gonna get a poster exclusive if you buy the phone. If you buy the phone and the Buds Plus, you're gonna get a second poster. So there's just all these different things that you can kind of go to different places to get this kind of complete set. But that's your first look, kind of unboxing / sneak peek. This is not the complete set, but all the just amazing stuff. You can tell, I'm kind of giddy. I love this stuff, and I purple you. All right, so there you go. Thanks for watching. Be sure if you like some of this stuff, I'll be having more follow-up on the BTS edition phone and everything around it. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want, but until then, I'll see you next time. Sarangamnida.